everyone, thank you for your purchase at Trophy Outlet. I really want to say thank you, and I want to address one of the most common and most often asked questions that we get when it comes to trophy kits or attaching a top to your assembly trophy. I'm going to go through really quick in this video on how to address that issue, which is the rod assembly. I show you here in a 6-foot trophy, but this will work for any of our trophies and trophy kits. So as you can see in this clip here, I'm trying to attach this top piece to a 6-foot trophy. You can see that rod is just a little too short. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on the table, and we're going to go up to the figure section, the top section, and we're going to unscrew that rod from that coupler just a little bit. Now in this video I back it all the way off, but you don't have to do that. You really just have to back it off enough to give you enough length at the end. You really only need a couple turns on each end of the rod and the coupler, so that should give you plenty of length, as you can see in this video. And then you can see here how much more length I added to that rod, and then here I'm attaching it to the 6-foot trophy. So super simple fix, but not something everybody knows. So hopefully this helps. Let us know if you have any questions.